Hello, my dear students. Today, 16th October, it's celebrated everywhere as the World Food Day. And there is a theme for the World Food Day 2020. It's grow, nourish, and sustain. And why this World Food Day is being celebrated? There is a clear-cut goal behind it. Food is one of the essential requirements of every living being. Humans would be able to survive maybe even without shelter or clothes, but nobody can survive without food. So it is being celebrated. And it marks the founding day of the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. The day is observed to raise awareness about the importance of food and nutrition. And you should understand, over 2 billion people do not have regular access to safe, nutritious and sufficient food. The day aims to raise awareness about the problem of hunger across the world. And in this context, you should understand, when you are getting the food, there are a lot of people behind it who worked hard. If you take your family, somebody will be preparing the food. So it shows how much other people care for you. Maybe your mom or dad, somebody will be preparing that food with a lot of love and care. So the food is a symbol of love. Even when words are not enough, if we are serving somebody very good food with a lot of love, that person becomes happy. And this food safety involves everybody in the food chain. And our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji said, there are people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread. So when you are getting enough food and maybe luxurious food, you should not waste it. Each and every time you should think deeply and should understand that there are so many people in the world who are hoping to get at least one meal. And there are many children across the world who are suffering from malnutrition. They are not getting nutritious food. So what you have to do is, the food which you get, never waste it. You should eat it fully. And whenever you get a chance to donate food to other people, you have to do it. And we must always respect the food we get, because it's the blessing of God. And as I have told you, it's the love from someone who cares for us. And food, it's not only about nutrients and calories. It's about sharing. It's about honesty. It's about identity. So all these you have to remember. And in some places you can see that obesity also is an issue. People are eating more and not doing regular exercises. That awareness also should be given today. Whenever we are eating something, especially the smaller children, if you become obese when you are in the younger age, there are chances for many diseases to catch you. So you have to be careful. Eat healthy food and play a lot. You should have physical exercise also, and then you can prevent these obesity issues. Along with that, every day when you are getting the food, remember about the one who prepared it. Remember about the sacrifice and hard work behind it. Also, you remember about the whole world where there are a lot of people hoping to get at least one meal. So be thankful to God for what you are getting and take a pledge. I shall never waste food. On this regard, I would like to remind you about the word zero hunger. There is a vision called zero hunger vision. What does it mean? The zero hunger vision reflects 5 elements from within the Sustainable Development Goals, which taken together can end hunger, eliminate all forms of malnutrition, and build inclusive and sustainable food items. The challenge of zero hunger means all food items are sustainable from production to consumption. So please remember all these things on this day. This is why few days are celebrated. It's just to give an awareness. And as students, you have to learn from all these celebrations. A world food program that prevents food wastage and create a world where there is no hunger. That's the zero hunger challenge. So think about it. How can you contribute towards the zero hunger challenge? Plus, those who believe in God, you have to understand that there are a lot of people who are needy in the world. They cannot get everything what we have. So think about them and be thankful to God for all what we have. And never ever waste food. I wish all of my students a very happy World Food Day. Thank you. Have a great day.